country is filled with brilliant, talented, and resilient young people who are ready to thrive. If given the right opportunity, support, and mentorship.
You go to university, you study a particular subject, and then you're stuck with it. But one thing for me in going to university is not that you have a degree in a certain subject, but that you learn to learn.
One of the things that I think is most important as I reflect back on my career is developing the ability to listen. Listen to the people around you, listen to your inner voice, listen to the guidance that you get and how you could apply it to become a better person, a more productive professional.
Humans just check the response. So never, in that example, you should never ever let the system autonomously just make the decision. Okay? You should always have a look at the output, and you would say you want to interrogate the machine. This is what human in the loop is, that they refer to. You would interrogate the machine, and you would say,